Hey everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. Johnny Ringo here, excited to show you a bus today. This right here is a school bus, 2009 Bluebird All-American. Check this out. This bus is a great bus for hauling crews, team of workers, maybe even doing some adventure tours. It seats 56 kids, or 56 adults, I'm sorry, or 84 kids. We've got plenty of seating there. It's powered by that Cummins ISB under the, you can hear it humming right there. Let's take a walk around, check it out. I am a fan of Bluebird, and I think you can hear that thing running. I've taken this for a test drive and it'll move. By the way, it does not have AC. That's a very important note. We've sold a lot of these to folks who are hauling crews, mining companies, adventure tours. Even had them sold for some folks who did some conversions. But there's a few little dings on here. You can't see it up here, but there's one right there that's pretty small. And then you got another one back there to the rear. Check it out. Ask us for a tread depth on these tires. I'd say they're okay. What do you think, Alex? I mean, there's life left in them for sure, but
the other side's got a gash.
Yeah.
The other side's got a gash on the side.
Yeah, ask us about the tires. And get a little closer.
Right,
yeah, I pointed those out.
Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that.
Come around the rear. Little bit of superficial on the top there. Somebody clipped something. Of course, you got your rear door. Pop that open for you. Emergency alarm going off there. Seats. We can get the guys, we do a lot of seat repair here. Replacing those covers is something our detail shop does a lot of. Come around the back, there was, yeah, midship. There's a little, as usual, that's pretty common. Somebody clipped something there. Yeah. Showing the shade. I like to call this an oldie but a goodie, man. It'll run though. You can hear it. Driver's area. You got the odometer up on there?
168 on that?
168. 168's actually kind of on the low end. We usually see these around 200,000 miles.
Pop that open there.
Here's our Cummins. Let me get you straight. Does that help? Well. All right. Get your Bluebird tag. Here's your seats from this side. Looks as though some seats have already been recovered. You can tell by the little slight difference in the color. The floors are all in great shape. The seats actually, those rear seats, they don't look so good, but the rest of them, what do you think, Alex? I mean, the rest of them look...
When the kids go in the back and they like to mess around.
Yeah.
Children in the back.
Listen to that thing humming along. Well, there it is. 2009 Bluebird All-American front engine FE with that Cummins humming under the hood right there. I've taken this around. I encourage you to come out here and check it out for yourself. If you're looking for a good solid people mover, this is a good bus. Pricing and availability can be found at LasVegasBusSales.com or call us at 877-456-9804. Like I said, come out, we'll take you for a spin in it, encourage you to check it out for yourself. It's a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.